It all started in 1992, the year that the holy grail of the laser industry was born. An idea for a revolutionary Z-axis focusing system, which was not just conceptualized, but became part of the industry standard. For more than 20 years, we tested dozens of designs, obtained many patents, and worked tirelessly with many of the brightest minds across our industry to finally take this legendary concept and bring it to life. Today, we are extremely proud to announce the release of BeamBrush. BeamBrush is a revolutionary device that allows you to control the size and width of a laser beam in real time. Together with Quant, we were able to integrate our patented BeamBrush technology into a completely new line of laser systems that will be offered in 3 watts, 6.8 watts, 10 watts, and 35 watts. So no matter the size of your event, we have a BeamBrush system that will suit your needs. When it comes to effects, BeamBrush is the most diverse laser system on the market. BeamBrush allows you to easily switch between razor-sharp beam effects to something as thick as a washlight instantly, joining the worlds of both lasers and lighting fixtures into one. Audience scanning is now safer, cleaner, and even more incredible than before, as you will now have the ability to widen your laser's beam based on content positioning, which is only possible with BeamBrush. And finally, you can create more detailed graphics and abstracts by creating a sense of depth and focus, filling in areas which you never could before, giving a whole new dimension to effects like these. During our development of BeamBrush, we reached out to many users across several industries to get their personal feedback on our laser system, and this is what they had to say.
What I like about BeamBrush is the fact that you can make a lot of lighting looks, but not be limited by the limitations of an actual light. A Sharpie can only move so fast, but this can instantly be from one spot to the next. You can make cool flight looks. You can have prisms that are different colors in every single spot. There's a lot of cool stuff to look about it.
I have never seen anything like this. BeamBrush allows you to just basically go in and take your laser and make it look like a light. You now have Sharpie effects coming out of the same scanner as laser effects. Like this is a true dynamic game tool.
And it's going to be a revolutionary tool for our industry. I've shown a lot of people the device. Everybody truly feels it's finally something new in the laser industry.
This thing is a game changer. It's awesome, it's amazing. I have worked with lasers for 25 years and done multiple tours. Taylor Swift, Lady Gaga, Chris Brown, Godsmack, probably more than I can remember. And this has never been out, and when this goes out, it's going to be absolutely change.
This is definitely changing the game for lasers and lighting as a whole for the foreseeable future. It has gone from just giddy excitement for a new product to an understanding that we kind of can't go back, and it is the largest generational increase to lasers and lighting products as a whole that we've seen in a long, long time.
Since the 90s, lighting manufacturers have been trying to mimic laser projectors, making beam-type fixtures, scanning fixtures, and even laser-sourced movers. Yet, none of them have come half as close as to replicating the true look and feel of a laser. So now, we flipped the script, and we decided we would show them how it's done by making an absolutely incredible laser system, digital moving head, and beam lighting fixture all in one.
Rewind to before I changed, started acting strange, had my life in my own hands. Meanwhile, I was wasting time, thinking things were fine, but you had other plans. Behind your weak disguise, all the worthless lies, I was wrong and now I know. Don't think that I won't try, this is not goodbye. pushed around, always lost, not found, but I didn't realize. Like a giant standing in my way, leading me astray. Now it's time for me to rise. I knew I had to find myself. Turns out I'm on my own. I won't let it go. The fire burn that you pretend to know. The fire in my heart burns in your shadow. The silver lining can begin to rust, and I can't trust. I won't let it go.
We are truly excited to bring such game-changing technology to the market and to get to see all of the incredible things that you'll do with it. Stick around the booth to see more of the incredible effects you can create with BeamBrush. If you have any questions, feel free to get with our staff, and we thank you for visiting us here at LDI 2021.